Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, folks. Where am I? Stratford upon Avon. I'm just by the river. Before I say any more, don't forget to like and subscribe. It did pop up on Facebook. Somebody said the river was high here, so I thought, hey-o, I'll come over. And I brought me drone. I'm hoping to go over there and put it up as well. Let me give you another spin round here. I've got the Sony, but I've left it in my car. So, yeah. So, that looks great. I'm just going to do a bit of a low down shot here as well. I've said this a couple of times. Don't seem 5 minutes ago I was on the beach in Spain doing the same shot. That looks nice. I'm by the boathouse. Let's go this way. That could be my boat there. Right, let's go round. Well, sorry, boat, yeah. Well, it's the boat. Well, the boathouse is right by me. But anyway, we're going to carry on round. Just swing around to me a minute. Now, where have I parked? I've been a bit tight. I've parked at Manor Road, which is just up the road. I needed a bit of a walk. I was feeling a bit stiff. So was my wallet, it didn't want to open. So it's Sunday, the 11th. Now that is called Stone Cottage there. How do I know? Says it on the tin. So anyway, I'm heading this way. See you in a minute. I'm just going to have a little walk over the bridge here first. Then I'm going to walk, there's like a park here, and I'm going to put my drone up. Now I've got an app and I've put it on and it says I'm all right to fly here. I've got another app that tells me what the weather's like, but I've got that many apps on my phone. I've got that many dating site apps in between Tinder and Plenty of Fish. I can't find it, but it's on there. That tells you what the weather's like. So anyway, just going over this bridge now. So we're going to have a look. A lot of folks around today, like me, come for a nose at the river. So looks like I'm on the wrong side of the road here. They're all walking down one way, but we're going to have a look. I don't think there'll be any boat trips today. If they got any sense with fast currents here. So yeah, so I'm going to just go over the other side to the left down there now. So I'll just do a little shot here, and I'll come back in a bit. Anyway, see you in a bit, folks. Right, yeah, it's pretty flooded.
We can't get to that cafe because it's all flooded.
Yeah.
For the second time in a month.
Right. Yeah, so yeah, the river deep, mountain high. I've got my new squeakers on. I'm trying to keep them for my best. So it's amazing, that narrow boat. It's I don't know if it's still on the river or it's floated over to the path there. I've got to find a location to put the drone up anyway. I'm trying to keep me squeakers. I can have a little fly round. So right, so I'm going to go up here. So I'll see you. Swing you around to me a minute. Yeah, I'll see you from the drone in a minute. So hang on there. Don't go away. Right, folks, we're going up. Let's have a nose round here at Stratford. It's going to spin you around now. I haven't used the drone for a bit, so it always takes me a bit to get back into it, but anyway, so there we are. There's the river, so there's a zoom down. Yeah, certainly a lot of water there. There's the bridge, and there's Bill Shakespeare's theatre just there. So we'll go up a bit now and have a nose round Stratford. Going up, folks. We can go up to just under 400 feet, and it'll tell me when. Yeah. Right, so we're going to have a little spin round Stratford now. There's the river down there. So I'm not going to do too much drone because it don't seem that popular. Somebody said just do drone footage, but it just doesn't seem to be that many people like it. But I enjoy it. So yeah, so it's just a little spin round here. Again, there's the bridge there from 400 feet. So I'm now coming down. Going down, folks. I can hear some music in the background. Sounds like they've got the panpipers over there. Oh, he's coming down. Yeah. Just straighten up a bit here. Here she comes. Right, if I can remember how to do it, it's been a while. See if it's gonna, I'll see if it's on follow me or not. Have a quick look. Yeah, still following me. I don't want to get my boots muddy, but thanks for joining us anyway. Yeah, so it is a bit muddy here, so we'll come off that and go back a little bit. Oh, we're still on that, so I need to come out of that. I think if I click that twice, that's the end of it now. I'm going to go over here now. Say hello to the swans. I hate going over water with the drone because what it is, the lower obstacle sensor, you can't get to grips with the water, but it's going to go down a little bit and then we can zoom across to the swans. I don't want to disturb them anyway, so yeah, brilliant. So we'll have a little whiz across here now. got it. Always when you get people watching, you worry you're going to make a muck of things. Well, there's the boat there. We go over a little bit to it, so getting my feet muddy. There is a few kids around at the park. They're well away from me, but if they head towards the drone, then I'll yeah, so there's the Neptune there. So we're gonna bring it back to me now. And I think I'm on avoidance, so it should go past me on bypass. Yeah. Yeah. It missed me. So just going to have one more little, get it to follow me up a little bit. Yeah, they've altered the, I've got active shots, it just says manual. So we're on. So I'm going to walk across carefully now. Back to me gear. Yeah, so oh, still on that, so I need to get out of that and click that twice, it comes out. So yeah, so that's it. I think that'll have to do for the drone. I might just go up one more time. It's gonna come forward a bit over my head if I can. Oh, the opposite. Oh, it's still on there. I'll just get rid of that. That's it. Going up. Oh, we'll have one more little pan round and that'll do. Yeah, so thanks for joining us, folks. Oops. Yeah, thanks for joining us with the drone. We'll go have a walk round now. So catch you in a bit. Yeah, greetings, folks. Well, playtime's over. Took it to a lovely family. I've took them my details down, so I hope they do watch the video. Lovely, well-behaved children. So hi to them. If you need any more info on the drone, just get in touch. They were watching me. Yeah, so it's that was great. Little fly with a drone. But sometimes I can put too much on, and it's not everyone's cup of tea. But anyway, let me swing you around here. Yeah, I'm going to go over by the swans down there now. So I'll catch you in a minute. Yeah, greetings, folks. I'm coming down to say hello to the swans here. How are you? You all right? Thanks for joining me here. Greetings. Have a drink. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, lovely view. Just here, well flooded, coming back up to me. Yeah, thanks for joining us here at Stratford upon Avon. Hey? No, video is. Right, here we go. A chap, nice chap there, just talking about audio. So it's just amazing with when you've got a camera, sometimes people stop and have a chit chat. It's nice. So yeah, lovely view over there. Yeah, so let's go over this way now. Yeah, well flooded. Yeah, greetings folks. This is just a bit of 120 frames a second slow-mo. I know the feeling, I've got no one to scratch my back. That's another story, and we'll back to the show in a sec. Yeah, greetings folks. Another little shot from just here. I'm just gonna tilt down a little bit. Yeah, it's nice to see anyway. Here, I'll catch you in a bit. Yeah, again, thanks for joining us here. I think I've got enough footage now, but I'm just going to go down this way a little bit and hope I can fit it all in.
Yeah, because it's at night.
So we go over.
Take your own dog because it's.
Yeah, so I'll walk down here to see in a minute. All right.
All right.
Yeah. Follow that swan. I know my boots are waterproof, but I'm not going to test them out. You all right there? Go on, off you go.
Very good. Roy Edwards.
Yeah, don't forget.
How many have you got on? Different stuff?
I've got, it's a nice hobby. These are really nice.
Yeah,
aren't
very
they?
clean out of the
Yeah.
What's the difference between them and other ones?
I'm not sure. I'm no
They've
expert.
got pink feet and others
Yeah.
are black.
They're nice, aren't they?
He says he's on
On YouTube.
Roy
You
Edwards.
take a picture of me hat
Look
if
him
you
up.
want. Roy Edwards.
We have to look him up,
Yeah.
and he's got videos on
Yeah.
YouTube.
This will be on in a couple of days.
Good lad.
Yeah. You all right over there?
Where do you live?
Redditch, I am. What about you?
Right up Leeds there.
Leeds. Oh, you've come a bit of a way then. Yeah, just talking to a lovely couple behind me somewhere, and they're on a Caledonian coach holiday, mystery tour, mystery weekend, and they brought them here to Stratford, and they're enjoying it. So, yeah, it's been brilliant. Well, it's time, I think, for me to probably get something to eat and then head back to my car. So join me in a minute. Well, hello world. Just a quick hi to everyone I've met today. I've met some lovely people. I hope they all watch the video. I've had a fantastic time here. So, but I'm going to end the video now. So, as usual, it's free to subscribe if you could do that. just makes YouTube share the videos more, and let's hope there's peace all around the world. And it's been a great time. I look forward to more times having a play with my drone. We'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for joining us, folks. Bye. Time for me lunch. Bye, folks.